And surely in this utopia of of an alternate universe, of course, a test that was created once always gives you fail states when something is wrong and pass states when everything is right. The thing is, we are not really, sadly, hate to break it to you, living in an ideal world. And because of this, a passing test, sadly, may not mean very much at all. Because, first of all, what if the assertions weren't really strict enough? They turned out not to be as watertight as they should be. Secondly, what if the locators weren't stable enough? What if they were, for example, based on the order of elements on the page and this order has changed since the development of the test? And thirdly, because here we're talking about things which are based on the GUI, but also in the case of backend tests, what if it's checking for a specific response code, but because of some backend problems, this response code is actually being sent not only where the application is working properly. And we can go on and on. There's a lot of situations in which the pass state is not really that important in differentiating whether the application is working properly or not, because the loose assertions that we have talked about a moment before may very well mean after some time that the past state that we have envisioned is not really guaranteeing a working application anymore, because the assertion isn't just not enough. It just lets too much through. And similarly, the instability of the locators may very well mean that since we are basing it off on of the order of elements, and the order of elements change, they may have changed in such a pesky way that the test is still passing. You may have not seen on the report that, oh, okay, we have a fail state, but still the order changed, and so we are actually testing a completely different thing, with the creator being 100% oblivious to the fact that what is actually being put on the test has changed substantially. And it's not some theoretical mambo-jumbo that we're talking about here. These are all situations that do arise, and these are all situations that you will come across in your career.